Yes, sir. Thank you. Thanks. Oh, leaves! Leaves! Oh my god. Leave me alone. Oh, what's up, man? Look, listen. Listen, I haven't done a video in a while. It won't look like that to you because they're all very heavily pre-recorded and I don't get them edited and finished for a long time. But feels like it's been a while since I made a video. And I guess I'm back at it, making a video. I feel like I'm out of practice a little bit with it, you know? I feel like my mojo is slightly off a bit. And you know what isn't off though, or what is off I should say, is the microphone being in the wrong fucking position, because this microphone is too damn big. It's too big and it's annoying me, man. It's annoying me a lot. It's pushing up in my face, man, and I just don't like it. Let's enjoy this turn a little bit before we reach the absolute cancer that is the traffic. All right, let's move over and we're gonna attempt to merge. And then we just have to filter a little bit. And so I feel like I'm too angry right now because of this fucking mic position to even speak about something cohesive, you know? As much as I would love to speak about something, and I did actually have a plan, you know? I said I didn't have a plan, I did have a plan. But that requires passion. The idea of the video will be absolutely ruined if I don't have the passion. All I have right now, and you know, arguably, anger is passion. But not this kind of anger. This kind of anger is not passionate. This kind of anger is just fed up with the absolute bullshit that has been occurring. So yeah, the reason, look, the thing is my helmet is currently so packed full of stuff. It's actually kind of crazy how much stuff is in my helmet right now. Since I last made videos, I have now installed a cardo system into my helmet, so I need to properly adjust so they're not uncomfortable. They're okay at the moment, they're not perfect. I'm getting there. Every ride I do, I make strides towards greatness and it gets better and better. So it's getting better. But the thing is, I also have another microphone in the helmet, which is way fucking smaller than the DJI mic, which is great. At least that's smaller. But the thing is I just have a bunch of stuff in here now, and I'm pretty sure that's the reason I can't get the correct position on the DJI mic, is because the other mic is just in its fucking way. So I think what I'm gonna do is adjust that one. I need to, look, every single time I use my bike, I take out the mic and then I put it back in again. And every single time it's a different, slightly different position. And sometimes I get a really good position and it's perfect. And other times I don't get a really good position, and guess what? It's not fucking perfect. Like right now, it is awful, it is cancer, it makes me want to die, it makes me just want to go wee into the traffic. You know what I'm saying? But maybe I'll talk about something else today, because I can't be talking about stuff I'm meant to feel happy about, right? Maybe I just start talking about some stuff I'm miserable about. Maybe this video could just be how miserable I am. It's not necessarily the truth, but right now all I feel is rage. So yeah, let me think of things I don't like. What do I not like? Other people? Most of the time. Nah, I can't. Nah, that's a lie. That's a lie. I'm sorry. I'm trying to force it. See, I'm trying to force it. Most of the time, people are fine. People are pretty chill, pretty legit. What the fuck is that car? That looks like a... What the fuck is that car? That is interesting. Why would... My question is, looking at that car, why would anyone buy it? Like, how do people find that car? You have all these major manufacturers that make cars, and then someone's like, nah. I'm gonna just find a random brand, and I'm gonna buy that. I might be really dumb right now, and that might be like a kind of, the back of it kind of looked like a Chrysler. It kind of looked like the Chryslers after Chrysler gave up and started making shitty little cars. I'll put a picture on the screen, hopefully, hopefully I will, of the Chrysler that I'm talking about, and then you understand why I think that might be a Chrysler. it might be a Chrysler, in which case, fair enough. Chrysler's a pretty reputable brand. They haven't been kind of around too much lately, but you know, they're a pretty reputable brand, so I can understand buying a Chrysler, but that looked like something random, dude. I did not see a Chrysler badge on there. So, granted, I don't have my glasses on, and I can't see anything without my glasses on, but I did not see anything Chrysler related on that vehicle, man. My job is not very, mentally intensive, I guess you could say. It doesn't require much brain power to perform, so I'm off on another planet most of the time when I'm talking to people with my job. I'm still doing a good job, I'm still being nice, but I'm thinking about other stuff too, such as what ND filter I should be using on my ride back home, which, is pretty important, I feel like. Anyway, let's merge. I don't want to do anything too aggressive today. So, see, I'm going 50 right now, but it feels like I'm walking. It feels so slowly. It's crazy how you just adapt to speed so fast, and then all of a sudden when you're going slow from fast, it feels fucking slow. Okay, we're gonna have to use some extra brain power for this. This is gonna be a bit sketch. Definitely a bit sketch. Okay, I'm just gonna go, whoa, there we go, we made it. Oh my god, there's a police car up there. Okay, we are being good boys. I don't know if you can see, there's blue lights coming down the road. So I'm chilling, I'm being a good boy, and I'm just being normal. No, don't mind me. Although those lights are not moving, so what's going on? I really want to overtake these cars. Oh, thank you. What a nice guy, man. What a nice guy. Okay, those police lights up there, I don't know if you can see them. I'll try to zoom in maybe, but they are moving away from us maybe. Oh, thank you. Good sir. Yeah. Okay. They are stationary. Something's happened over there, man. What? Well, this is gonna be exciting. I guess what we can find out. Okay. So I think there's been an accident up ahead, and I just love accidents, so I can't wait to see it. Thank you. Thanks. Where? The sirens? Oh my god, it's over there. Bro. I thought they were getting out of the way for me, dude. But it turns out, wait a second, hold on. Anyway, I'm just gonna go around this one as well. Is there any others coming? Others come as well down there? I don't know. I'm looking at my mirror. I honestly can't tell what's real anymore. What the fuck? Dude, people were getting out of the way for the for the ambulance. I thought they got out of the way for me. Oh, what a bunch of fakers, man. I thought they got out of the way for me. I think maybe some of them were. Dude, that is crazy. Because the sirens were getting closer and closer. And I was like, that's really weird, dude. They're still really far away. What's up with that, But now, see, look, the sirens up there. Oh, something did definitely happen up there. And I think the ambulance is just going to respond to that. Okay, I thought I was actually going crazy. But it turns out that I have no idea anymore. I'm going to be honest with you. I'm losing my mind. I genuinely do think that I am losing my mind right now. This guy's leaving way for me, but I will just wait until it opens up. Yes, sir. It opened up. God, I wish I was a fucking ambulance. Make it so much quicker to get home. Just knock on my sirens, then I'm there. Boom, everyone gets out of the way for me. We should make filtering so much easier if everyone just like bends to my will, That'd be so nice. Unfortunately, I'm just a regular guy, so whatever. Well, that was confusing because look, I don't know if it's going to be on the camera or not, but I saw sirens in the distance. And it wasn't until I was like, oh, that's really weird. That guy moved over like a lot. And that's when I realized, oh wait, he's right behind me, isn't he? The ambulance man. And then of course I moved over because I'm not gonna not move over for him. I'll tell you what I find one of the most annoying things in the entire world is, for anyone who has a bicycle, you might be able to resonate with this one, is that when you're cycling on a bicycle and it just makes a fucking squeaking noise, just like every pedal or every rotation of the wheel, it makes a squeaking noise. And it makes me want to kill myself. It makes me want to throw my bike into the river and just let it drown there, you know, let it rust and die, because that is one of the most annoying things ever. I feel like just dying and crying at the same time, you know, crying first maybe, but oh my god, is that annoying. Just this. And then like, oh, you know what makes it worse? If it's fucking windy. If it's windy, then you have to pedal harder, getting less results, pedaling harder, and then for some reason when you fucking pedal harder, the squeak gets louder. He's like, fuck bicycles. That's why I stopped riding them, you know. One, because fuck bicycles, you know, shit's slow, and number two, because of that squeaking noise. Oh my god. Because, you know, I'm not a rich guy, I can't be affording expensive bicycles, and so I have to settle for these kind of bad bicycles that have kind of big annoying problems, you know, which is just great, which is just lovely. Oh, don't crash into me. Oh my god, I don't like that at all. When it's like that, I don't like it, because if he turned, I'm probably just gonna die. Well, I would have died, I would have probably just taken it. I would have fallen, got up. Oi, why'd you pull out on me? Oi, you cunt. That's what I would have went. I would have smashed his window. Oi, you fucking slag. That's what I would have done. But nah, those situations sketch me out big time. I'm at an all-time low, 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 low. What's over there? Oh, I'm too low down now. Don't worry. I thought I could stand up and I would just tower above the hedge, but I've forgotten that I'm 5'9", and that I tower above nothing. One day, you never know. You never know. Some people say you still grow into your 20s, so I'm just fucking hoping that's true. Mike Raffone. Get it! I'm not going to leave that one in the video. There's just no point. It adds no value. So you see that guy right up ahead, the guy leading the pack? I've got to get past him, mate. I've got to get past him. It is... Oh, fuel low. No, mate, I just filled up. It's Tuesday. It's Tuesday today. Oh, brother. All right, let's see if we can get past him. We got a buggy for it. See? Oh! The low fuel went away. That's what I'm talking about. All right, we're going to go down to 50 because there is a speed camera here. The only one in the area. And that one is a 50 zone. So there we go. See? I'm not breaking the law. Bing, bong, bang. Oh, leaves! Leaves! Oh my god. Leave me alone. Fuck. I'm so sorry. My motto is, I only speed in residential areas, otherwise, what's the fun in speeding if it's not residential? Yes! I don't want to go too fast along here, just because it is a bit wet, it is a bit damp. It's not knee-dragging type shit right here, you know, it's just leisurely ride type shit instead of knee-dragging. And the fuel is low again. Fuck, man! That is so annoying because I can't afford this fuel. It's crazy. I go on one extra ride and I literally double my fuel costs for that week. It's crazy. I'm gonna have to fill up twice just for 1 week. That's insanity, man. That's insanity. Ooh, some smoke happening over here. I like smoking. I like smoking cigarettes. Yeah, I just love it. I'm a bit of a cancer aficionado, and it's one of my favorite pastimes. Anyway, I'm here. Oh, back home. Kisses and love to you. I love you very much, more than your own family does. So, you know, I should tell you something about your family rather than me, to be honest with you. Anyway, I'll see you later. Bye.